Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to MEXC without paying fees. So first you have to simply log in to your MEXC account right here. Go to assets, go to a deposit, and then here what you're going to do is you have to look for USDT. So you have to select USDT as the coin. And then once you found it, you have to click this one. And after that, you need to choose the network. So we're going to choose the RC20 network here as it offers a very low or zero gas fees. All you have to do once you select this one is you have to copy the deposit address shown right here. This time you have to go to Binance. So exit your MEXC and then you have to open your Binance. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to tap on wallet, funding, or spot wallet. And then you have to search for USDT here, add USDT. And then at this time, what you're going to do is you have to look for the withdraw or the send option right here. Here, what you're going to do is you have to simply paste the deposit address that you have copied earlier from MEXC. Select the TRC20 network. This is important because it's often free or has minimal fees, typically 0 to 1 USDT. Enter the amount of USDT here and then tap on withdraw. You just have to wait for arrival on MEXC or MXC. USDT will reflect in your MEXC wallet within 2 to 10 minutes via TRC20. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.